Alright, we're here at John Kirk Furniture in Carmel, Indiana, and we're going to take a ceiling fan tour. So when you first walk in the door, there are two newer Harbor Breeze fans. Let's go. There are fans everywhere in here. So there's an HRS industrial. There's some more HRS fans. There's a line of them. The Hunter Originals are in that room. Here's some more bigger HRS fans. Right there. Let's look back here. See, it's winter, so some of them obviously aren't going to be on, but we can see. There's many HRS fans in this room. Let's go into this room. There is a fan. Don't know what kind it is, but Mom, look, they just barely cleared the wall up there.
Look at this Christmas stuff.
Here, come in here. No fans in there. Let's walk through.
Good morning.
Morning. They got couches. This is a humongous furniture store. Like, it's huge. No, I'm good. Yeah, I've been helped.
Okay, all right.
So in here we've got some Hunter Originals, some brown ones, and a Fanimation, which is wobbling. There it is. And here's a table with a Fanimation fan. So they've got some Fanimation fans too, and here there's two Hunter Originals and a Fanimation. Two brown and cream colored. See, so look, it's nice because they've got the two Hunter Originals there, but then look at the Fanimation they have just sitting in the house. It's a cool design. They're both going quickly, so it's hard to get a view of them, but I think we've seen them. They're not uncommon. Let's zoom in. It's vibrating. And it looks like they put some long extension chains on them, but that's not really going to help in this instance. I think they have 3 Fanimation fans, if I remember. There's that one again. No, you know what? To get to the other part of the store, you have to go back through the main entrance. I just remembered. I kind of remember my way around. I'm good. What? There's no fans back there. Yep. There's one industrial. You glad I brought you here? Yeah, I'm sure it's very expensive. But yeah, they've got some of these. I think that these are HRS or maybe gold lines or something. Some kind of industrial. Alright, so let's look. This place is humongous. There's fans back here, if I remember right. Yep, this room's got them. There's fans in there, but we'll go in there in a minute. This room has some fans, I thought. Yep, back here we've got some old, I forgot the name. What are these? Old footprint vent. We have some old footprint vent fans in here. Those are old. See these? Like I said, a random assortment of fans. That looks like a old Concord maybe. And then there's another one back here. Beautiful chandelier. Where are you? That's one way to keep 2 rooms cool at the same time. Kind of. They are running in reverse, but I'm assuming that's just because they don't swap them. Back here there's a third one, and then some newer Feiss fans. There's 4 of them, and then there's the one. But back here, See, they have the newer version of that fan back here. Oh, there's a brand. Maybe we can zoom in on it. Nope. But see, they've got the newer version here. But see what I mean? How it's just a random assortment of fans everywhere?
Why?
Keep it cool. In a big place like this. You haven't seen the back yet. The back looks like a warehouse. We're gonna have to, oh, here we go. This is where the big area. There's a Fanimation fan in here, if I remember correctly. I don't really remember. This is a cool area right here. And if you go back here, there's no fans in this area. Oh, this is it right here. Oh, they put up one. Come back here. I don't remember those being up when I was here last. I think they put these up, but also, yeah. Look. Look. On the shelf up there. That's the Fanimation Palisades. Alright, let's go back. Oh, a pedestal fan. Comfort zone. Yeah. These fans were not here last time. I don't think. So there's 2 more Fanimation fans we gotta find. I don't remember at all where they are. Maybe through here? Or here's the HRSs. Right here, the ones that are unplugged. These were unplugged last year too. I'm assuming it's because they installed the track lights and then they couldn't use these, so they just unplugged them. So these aren't functional. Here's one of the Fanimation ones. Here, whoa! So look, there's a Fanimation fan there, but what's interesting about it, look. They've got one rigged up. This was different, I don't remember. It's right there. Probably.
Have you seen it on?
No, it's, I don't remember the name of these, but it's the type that goes like this.
I know.
There's that fancy looking one. Let's go back around. We'll go back this way.
Is there nothing there?
No, there's nothing. This was different last year when I was here. There's that other Fanimation fan that I was talking about. No, the interesting thing is, oh, I feel really dumb. Look.
I told you to come around this way.
Oh, well. This one is not hooked up, it looks like. But this is another Fanimation. Yep. Alright, well, we've seen every fan. Oh, no, look. They stuck it right there. There you go. We have now seen all the fans at John Kirk Furniture, ladies and gentlemen. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.